Sorry I didn't catch your call.
Probably having a good ass time somewhere.
So leave us a message for when we get back.
Make it short.
And make it sweet.
Alright, listen. 30 minutes to an hour later.
30 minutes to an hour? Hour and a half. Minimum. He started working, guys.
She got a fucking problem. I started working on stuff because I'm a hard-working gentleman, alright? And I gotta provide for my family. Because this motherfucker don't work a day in her life, alright? Let's go look at what she's doing. The family. She's not pregnant. The fucking started spreading rumors. And we're both kind of buzzed, right? You're buzzed, right?
Yeah, 30 minutes ago when I finished my beer.
I don't know why the fuck I turned this camera on if I'm just gonna be slandered the whole fucking time. Jesus Christ, man. Anyway, we're leaving now.
Finally. So we didn't actually leave. We're still here. Go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you're gonna do it like you're a horse?
A horse?
Too much. How'd I do? How bad?
I don't think they're meant to clean your shoes, but...
What? Oh, that's what it was for.
But it's not to clean, it's to get rid of invasive species.
It was cleaning my shoes.
No, but not like cleaning them. What?
You're weird.
I'm weird.
Above, oh, it's an above turn. Checking in post bug kill.
Where we at, baby?
In the Yamtrack.
We're in the Yamtrack now.
I turned the light on.
Oh, we're in the Yamtrack. We're going to Seattle now.
Seattle.
Going to Seattle. Seattle.
Seattle, Washington.
Going to Seattle.
Huh?
The real reason why we got this place. It's just out here. Boom, boom,
At least we
bam,
have a
boom,
TV.
boom, 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 boom. Look at that. Listen, guys, I just need to show you the beauty of this. That's a Wagyu right there. And I'm bibbed up and ready to go. See me? That's a.
We'll do before and after.
So last
Show them the fit.
Last bite.
The fit.
Last bite is probably one of the best burgers I've ever had.
Go. Hey!
Look at those mountains. She's like standing.
This photo, I think, kind of caps out
I feel like the way to show it is to show her slant that she's
Oh
standing.
yeah.
and I just knew I had to bring you.
8 o'clock in the morning. And girl had the girl had the bright idea. And, What?
Going to the quad.
We're going to the quad.